What is up, Tube, and welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlog. Let's get into this. What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Friday, guys. Friday. Another week has passed by. Today is gonna be I don't know. Yesterday was weird. Started off really slow and ended really good. So I don't know how it's gonna be today. I'm probably about maybe 50% booked, so I'm not even that booked today. We're probably gonna have to rely on a lot of walk-ins today. I've been posting up a lot of stuff on my Instagram and Facebook and you know, and the barbershop ads, and I'm just trying to get people in here. So today we have the full crew, all four of us working. You know, I call it a full crew, but that's all I got, you know what I mean? But I have 7 chairs in my shop, so I'm definitely not running at 100% yet. Barely running at 50%, and that's with me probably doing about 60% of the work at the shop. So you know, it's still kind of dragging a little bit, but you know, we're trying to make it work and trying to hopefully business picks up pretty soon. Soon as school gets back into business, I think that's when things will get back to normal. But in the meantime, I think it's gonna stay relatively slow. You know, we're still grinding. At least we're grinding. We're showing up. We're being here. You know, got clients still booking. So we just got to make it happen, guys. That's just the way it is in this business, you know. But I'm pulling up right now. Get started on this day. 7:54 right now. First appointment's at 8 a.m. So I'm pulling up right now. Let's get started on this day, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. So today's been a way better day than yesterday. We've been a lot more busier. A lot more people coming through. So we're really staying busy today. All the guys, which is a good thing, because the guys yesterday were a lot slower than it was today. But like I said, it picked up at the end. I don't know what's going on right now. Right now it's kind of weird out here. It just seems like real stagnant, real quiet. We need school to start back up. Plain and simple. When school starts back up, the university will fill back up. You know what I mean? Probably come August, guys, it's gonna get back. Things will start getting back to normal. In the meantime, it's just gonna continue the way it's been. We just gotta survive. We gotta continue. We gotta keep trekking. Can't just lay down and not work. What are you gonna do? You know, we have to continue to move on and move forward. But today's been okay. It's been all right. I've been a lot busier than I was yesterday. Yesterday, man. Yesterday, I think I did only like 9 cuts all day long. So it was kind of a slow day. Today, I already have probably like around 6, and it's only barely 12 o'clock right now. So it's doing a lot better than I was yesterday. Plus, my backside of my appointments are going to be filled up today, so should be a lot better. But I'm gonna head back to the shop, try to videotape something for you guys today. See what's up. Maybe I'll send a drone up. It's a very beautiful day here in California. I don't know how it is where you guys are at, but right here it is 73 degrees and sunny. So we just need some clients. So we need some extra clients. All right, guys, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for today. This day is over. This Friday is over. And it was kind of dead today, guys. Not even gonna lie, it wasn't a regular Friday or lately it hasn't been regular Fridays anyway, but it wasn't a very good Friday today. That's for damn sure. Kind of sitting around a lot today. Even me. I think I only did like maybe 10 haircuts all day today, so it wasn't a great day. Day at the end. Usually Fridays are vibrant at the end. Today they were not vibrant at the end. So it is what it is. There are a couple things I want to talk to you guys about, guys. I don't know how many of you guys got a PPP loan from the government. That's a COVID disaster relief bill for those of you guys that might be barbershop owners or already seasoned barbers, because you guys can apply for PPP loans. I don't know if you guys did that or not. I know some people that got them, so I know I got one. First time I got $6,000. That was back in May. But the reason why I'm bringing it up, guys, is because they're offering a second draw again. So if you guys got the first draw, let me guys remind you to file for the second draw, because they're going to give you the second amount again. So if I got 6,000 the first time, hopefully I get another 6,000 this time. I got the first part forgiven already, the first 6,000. So I'm hoping that the 6,000 this time will be forgiven also. So you know, guys, it's just help out there that if you need it, you guys got to go out, reach out for it. You know, we were locked down for a lot of months, so that definitely this year our income was not the same, and it's really not our fault. You know, it's not the government's fault either, but you know, it's just the way it is. You know, so there's a second draw. So if you guys haven't gotten it, I encourage you guys to look into it, because it could benefit you guys. All right. Excuse me, coronavirus. Number 2 thing, I want to talk to you guys about taxes. Tax time is here, guys. This year, tax time didn't start on February 1st. They gave us an extra 2 to 3 weeks, I think it was, or a month to start it up. There's probably going to be an extra time again, but tax time is upon us, guys. So for you guys that are self-employed out there, that means gathering up all our receipts. That means gathering up, like I already know how much we made last year, but I don't know exactly how much I spent yet. So I have to get those numbers together so I can go do my taxes. So, you know, it's all part of the process. I'm going to try to get that going, because I haven't done my taxes yet. But last year I did them real super early, and I didn't get my money till like August, I think it was. But in a way it was good, because it came out at the right time. It came right when I really needed it. So I used it for bills, I used it for this, I used it for that. So it was good that it came in late. Because if it would have came in early on time, then I would have probably spent it by the time the pandemic even came around. So, you know, things are looking up with the pandemic. You know, I think it seems like the numbers are going down a lot. Things are starting to open back up. Schools should be opening around here. I think when schools open up around here is when things will get better for us. So I'm kind of just waiting on that. So, you know, it is what it is, guys. We got to just keep, you know, bob and weave, show up. Just keep fighting, keep doing it, keep doing your thing. All right? Let me show you guys something I got right here from one of my buddies. For those of you guys didn't know, I was telling you guys that I traded a machine for the barter system. So, show you guys what I got from my barter system from my buddy, Fades by Morales. And, oh yeah, he hooked it up. So I sent him my broken in Babyliss FX, the gold machine, and he sent me 4 of these bad boys. 4 of these, guys. If you guys don't know about these are the Braun Series 9 shaver heads. It was a good trade, guys. A good trade, because I'm going to tell you guys right now, these things right here, I just barely bought one the other day, and I paid $45 for each one. I bought one, and Raul bought one, so it's $45 each right there, guys. I got 4 of them right here for bartering, you know, for a machine that I don't really use no more. I gave it to him. The only bad thing about it is he texted me today, and he's telling me that the machine's not cutting properly. I didn't say you a broken machine. Look at a machine is never broken, guys. Remember that, all right? A machine is never broken. If it doesn't cut properly, it's probably because the blade might need to be sharpened or adjusted. My suggestion to you, Fade by Morales, is take it to somewhere where they adjust machines, because I'm not really good at adjusting machines myself. I can't really set blades like other guys can. I can't. I take them to somewhere to do it for me, because I don't have the eyes for it. You have to have the eye to do that. If you can't do that, then you need to take it somewhere so they can adjust the blade or sharpen it, and then it'll be working fine. Trust me, brother. I wouldn't burn you. That machine is a good machine. I used it for many, many years. For 2 years at least I used it. 2 to 3 years I had that machine. And I did many, many cuts. I just move on. I've switched from machine to machine until I find one that's more. But it's been sitting around for probably 8 months. So it might just be a little stuck. Blade wash, clean it, you know. It'll be right. It'll be fine. Trust me. If not, do what I told you. And you know, trust me, bro. It's a good machine. I'm trying to send you a broken machine. I don't keep if I have a broken machine, I don't keep it here. I keep it in my boneyard. And I have a boneyard of machines where I keep all machines that I don't use no more, or little things have happened to them that I just throw them in there that I know are no, I consider them no good for, they're only for parts. That's why I call it the boneyard. But yeah, so we bartered for those. But he had a little trouble with the machine today, so I'm sure he'll get it going. I have faith in my boy. But as far as that, that's it for today, guys. Friday's over. Tomorrow's Saturday. Tomorrow's early morning. You already know. Tomorrow's 7 a.m. first haircut. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's better than today. That's all we can hope for. You know what I mean? It is what it is. But you know, I'll be here. But with that being said, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys watching. Big Al's Barber Channel is here to help you get better at barbering. So I'll be here. Be here tomorrow, guys. With that being said, you guys have a blessed night. I'll see you guys mañana. Grind on.